Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to talk about subject science, and today we will learn how we can find the valency of the elements. First of all, we know that valency is also known as valence. In chemistry, the valency or valence of an element is a measure of its combining power with other atoms which it forms chemical compounds or molecules. And valency, actually the valency is very important for all the elements, and we have to know the simple process to find out the valency. So we know the cell, there are K, L, M and cell, and first cell should be fulfilled with 2 electrons, and L with 8, M with 8 and N with 8. So I am taking the example of first element, hydrogen. We know its atomic number is 1, and in first K cell there should be fulfilled of 2 electrons, but the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so 1 is only fulfilled there. So to fulfill the K cell, this hydrogen need 1 electrons from other elements. So the important is that to fulfill this cell, hydrogen needs 1 more electrons. So the electrons which is needed by the hydrogen, so it needs 1. That's why the valency of that particular element is 1. Again, I'm taking the example of sodium. We know the atomic number of sodium is 11, and in K cell we have to fulfill 2. In in another L cell we have to fulfill 8 electrons, means 8 plus 2 10, and rest 1 is another is M cell, there is 1, means 2 plus 8 plus 1 equals to 11. Now in this M cell there is only 1 electrons. So to fulfill this cell there is required of 7 electrons. So it is impossible to sodium give 7 electrons. That's why it lose its 1 electrons with other elements for chemical reaction. The lose electrons is 1. That's why the valency of this sodium is 1. In same way, I am taking the example of chlorine, 17 number. So in first K cell we will fulfill the 2 electrons, in second again 8, and again in last there should be 8, but we have got atomic number of chlorine is 17. That's why there will be 7 electrons, means 8 plus 2 10 and 7 17. In K 2, L 8, and in M there is 7. It means that for chemical reaction this chlorine need 1 electrons from other element. That's why if you take 1, this cell is fulfilled 8. So it takes 1 electrons from other element in chemical reaction. That's why the valency of this particular element chlorine is 1. The valency of an atom is equals to the number of electrons in the outer shell if that number is 4 or less. Otherwise the valency is equal to 8 minus the number of electrons in the outer shell. Once you know the number of electrons, you can easily calculate the valency of an element. So again I am taking the example of argon. We know its atomic number is 18. Argon. First 2, second cell 8, again third cell 8, means it is fulfilled. In first cell there is 2, in second 8, in third 8, means K, L, M. These all are fulfilled. So this argon doesn't need any electrons for chemical reaction because its orbit, all these cell are fulfilled. That's why its valency is 0. In same way you can see here purple color determines the electron's yellow nucleus. So here is an example. The valency of this element is 3. Sorry, wrong. We were just testing. This one is wrong. So here in first cell, this is mistake 1. In this way we cannot find the valency. The electron's outer shell is 1, that's why the valency of this element should be 1. We can take the example of lithium in this way, that valency of lithium is 1. So we can take the example of any elements. Yes, for finding the valency we can take, and last one I am taking the calcium. So we know that there are cell of elements and we know the atomic number of calcium is 20. So in first 2 K cell, in L 8 and M 8, so it is 18, and in last there is 2, means this N cell is not fulfilled. We need 6 more electrons to fulfill this. So it is impossible to this elements calcium to give 6 electrons. So it will lose its 2 electrons for chemical reaction to the other elements. It means that this number of electrons losing by calcium is 2. That's why the particular valency of this calcium is 2. So in this way we can find the valency of any elements if you know the atomic number. There are more than 118 elements in modern periodic table. If you know the atomic number of any elements, you can find the valency easily. This is the very simple method to find the valency of an element. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please, if you have got any question, if you want to solve your question, you can ask your question in comment box. We will try our best to give the best solution of your question. Thank you.